What's up, Game Masters? Today we're going to talk about writing an adventure. Adventure formatting. It seems to me every RPG adventure has two components. The stuff, NPCs, the scenes, the locations, the descriptions, the plot hooks, the plot twists, combat stats, info nuggets. All the things that the players are going to experience directly in the game. And the format, the structure of your notes that allows you to find the right stuff at the right moment. I've personally experimented with a lot of different outline formats, from a lot of notes crammed onto one page, got them on a story map that I knew how to move around on, to doing one item per page and just fill up a whole fat folder of very clean white pages. The number one concern that I have found, the concern that actually started this blog and this YouTube channel, is that I've found the less structured my notes are, the harder it is to find the right stuff at the right time. But on the other hand, the more structured your notes are, the harder it is to find the right stuff at the right time. Most published adventures that I have seen employ the framework of scene, 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 act break, scene. And all your stuff is organized into these little scenes that happen in a particular order. And the problem is that when your players become ready for this encounter or this NPC or this info nugget, the way that they got here may have nothing to do with the order in which the author put the scenes. The page-by-page framework of this scenario tells you nothing about how to find the scene that the players need now. Unstructured slapdash notes make things hard to find. Highly structured, things happen in this order kind of structure also makes things hard to find in the current moment. Do not underestimate how much it can kill the session's energy for you to hunt for it. That cool scene that you really wanted to bring out and that we've hit the perfect moment for. And this is because an adventure is actually 3 components. I said it was 2, it's actually 3. And you have your stuff, and you have your format, that all your stuff is organized into, and you have the current moment. We could put that up here, I guess, because that's supposed to rule both of the other things. Everything in a role-playing game depends on the current moment. Where are the PCs? What are they doing? How did they get here? That determines which stuff you need. And so if you're organizing your notes in a way, or if you bought a published scenario that is organized in a way that's hard to find this current moment on here, then you're not gonna find the right stuff to the current moment. That's the problem. That's the problem I'm trying to solve. My goal in life is to create a format, distill a format that has enough structure so you're not going, I can't find what I need because I can't remember where it's written, give me a minute, but not so much structure that you're going, I can't find what I need because we're not where the checklist says we're supposed to be, give me a minute. Both of those things are bad. As far as how that can be done, even if it can be done, that's the subject of another video, probably of several more videos on this vlog. What I will leave you with is one question that I'm wrestling with in the way that I write my games. How do you differentiate in your notes the scenes that have to happen from the scenes that don't? There's the kind of stuff that advances the story through fleshing out the game world, through giving your players cool, memorable experiences there. And the kind of stuff that advances the story through giving them crucial details that the story can't move forward without. These things have to happen or the story is not going to go anywhere. Versus if these things don't happen, you're probably just going to tuck them in the back of your notebook and save them for another game. In my own games, and as I'm working on this format, I'm experimenting with ways to notate and store those two kinds of stuff separately, but still findably. I'd love to hear from you in the comments about how you do that. I'm GMGenie. We'll see you next time.